Welcome everyone. DL nomenclature of the compound. This compound has 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This compound has 2 chiral centers, one is 2 and the other is 3. Since this compound contains 4 carbon atoms, so it is butane. This hydroxyl group is present on the left side of the vertical line, so 2L. This hydroxyl group is present on the right side of the vertical line, so 3D. Since this compound has 2 hydroxyl groups, so diol. Therefore, the DL nomenclature of this compound is butane 2L 3D diol. Thank you for watching this video.